Everybody knows that as at the last sitting of the court, the position is that all the pending applications, which include their motion for interlocutory injunction and our own motion too, to stop them from selling unlicensed, unregistered, and unapproved products, is slated for today for hearing. But unfortunately, we are in court today, and the counsel to the church, counsel to Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fuyi, failed to show up. And he did not even send a letter to the court. The only representative of the court, of the church, informed the court that the counsel is out of town. One would think that a case of this magnitude, that everybody takes serious, including the parties and the counsel thereto, a lawyer will not show up. A big firm of path legal of Mr. Samuel Enseke, who has many counsel in his office, no representative came from that law office. And we consider it that a game of hide and seek has started. And we will not condone that, and that is why we asked the court to grant us a cost of 200.
As for Santos Ume Alake, so I'm one of the church administrators representing the Christ Mercy Land Deliverance Ministry. So the council, the case today have been pleaded for stand down because the council, the subsistence council to the Christ Mercy Land, which is the second counter-claimant, is not in the court today because as of yesterday, he went out of Abuja to Asaba to save life because his attention was unavoidably needed because an operation to save life was asked for, and he is the only one that needed to be signed. Without that authority, that life might not be saved because he needs to sign the authorize the operation. So that made it possible for him to move. So unavoidably, his presence is really needed. So, but because of the seriousness of this matter today and his full respect to the court, he is already on the way. He left Asaba today. He entered the flight. He's already from Abuja airport coming to this court. So because of that, I pleaded with his consent for court to stand down the matter, at least for over 30 minutes, because he's already very close to the court. Though the other counsel refused and claimed for a cost of 200,000, but the court, in their magnanimity and in their way of justice, knowing fully well his absence was to save life, dismissed that demand for 200,000, cancelled it in total, and no claim, no money, nothing should be paid for it. He didn't go based on his own business or any other thing, but he went because he went to save life. So the court stamped down the matter for minutes for him to be here. So all the proceedings and everything that's supposed to be for today is standing down, waiting for the arrival of the subsistence counsel of the second counter-claimant, the counsel to Prophet Jeremiah of the Christ Mercy Land Deliverance Ministry. So,
you said everything is being stamped down for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
According to the judge, she said she will be, that's Justice Mosu, she said she would be reassigning the case, so she pushing it up to the FCC.
Have been stand down for 30 minutes. According to the judge, the case been standing down for 30 minutes. After that, if he's not able to reach, then it should be reassigned. Because I pleaded for stamp down, so which the judge consented, but he said within that 30 minutes, because it's almost the last case, so he cannot be sitting waiting. But if not, it will be reassigned for other judges, which the other counsel was pleading. He objected to that stamp down, so that made the judge to have that.
You heard my lawyer, they don't act as if now hide and seek, you understand? They are not taking the court serious, which doesn't make any sense. They are treating the case, they are doing the case as if it's a child's game, you know? And like my lawyer say, like an hide and seek. We cannot take that now. Don't say when they sue that 1 billion, if you say, guy man, go just day, maybe I go the shake, I go the do get. Now, time for courts don't reach now, no show. Una go show for that court, oh. Una go show. When I meant you all gonna learn, you people will learn. And also, now that guy, I just take side till they watch you. And they watch you. You see this game where you won't play? I know the game pass you. You understand? The kind game on I won't play, on I won't look for way. It be be like, no, make I use allegedly. I be like, say, I am the English. I am suspecting that you people want to quickly go and arrange one kind of dark and go and drop it and make it look as if, now, Mola, don't worry. I get the products now. It did with me. It did with me. When whatever move you people are planning, I did ahead. I am 10 times ahead of you. You think me protesting in your gate, you think I don't know what I am doing? Mr. Freda and Beatrice, I am just watching you. All this game, I am familiar with this game. So, Mona starts to use us do hide and seek. You people should come to court, please. Like I said, you're gonna learn, and you all will learn the hard way. Don't play. If I say you don't see vision, say in case no go favor you.
Prophet Jeremiah all over the world. We have now sued you to the law court for you to come and tell the law court how that testimony was stage managed and who gave you the effrontery to rebroadcast that very particular clip on your platform. Who gave you the right and who gave you the permission? You cannot go about on social media picking people's clip and putting it on your page to question it when you are not working with the Nigeria Film Censorship Commission or you are not working with the Nigeria Communication Commission. I did not know when you were appointed to be the one to oversee all the affairs of men of God. By the way, I am calling you out today for you to be informed that it is on behalf of all the sons and daughters of Senior Prophet Jeremiah Motofeng that I, Dr. Gideon Issa, on behalf of all sons, I have now charged you for you to tell the court how that miracle was stage managed and how that testimony was stage managed. It is even belittling to think that such a miracle or such a testimony of testifying of an appointment can be stage managed.
All right, so as I was watching this video where this Prophet Jeremiah boy came to address me, say they don't sue me, go court, you know, I just thought about something powerful that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said. Very powerful. He said, I don't know the meaning. Do you understand? But guy, well, anyways, so this guy said they sued me to the court that I must come and explain that how I said the miracle Prophet Jeremiah did is stage managed. Now I think it's referring to that miracle where they carry spray. Pastor Jeremiah give them spray where go commode them from suffering, you know, perfume. So they're saying that the perfume now give the guy appointment letter. Do you understand? So they've sued me to the court. Now the reason why I started talking about Prophet Jeremiah is because he said he gave miracle soap approved by NAFDAC. Then I say bring the ingredient. As you all know, he has a pool of Besheda water. Besheda when no being get the pool. He has I must carry my twin water, and he has a lot of other waters. So they've sued me to court. Now let's leave the court on, because obviously we're not go suffer from my hand for other courts that day. I don't want to tell una first. You understand? I need to ask my lawyer. But if I talk, I want people to watch this.